Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about English grammar, class 2, unit number 1. This lesson has been given at page number 7 and page number 8 of your grammar English. Let's get start our lesson. Noun. Noun is the name of person, place or things. For example, Ali, salad, chair, etc. Nouns. People are known as noun. For example, Anita, Ali, Sana, Sara, etc. Places. Places are also known as noun, like forest, your school, your home, Pakistan, etc. Animals. Animals are also known as noun, like elephant, cat, dog, lion, etc. The next one is things. Things are known as noun, like phone, chair, table, pencil, etc. Okay, move on your next slide. Here you have seen this picture. In this picture, you have given some nouns. Tell me which nouns given here? Yes, you know. The nouns like kite, sun, lighthouse, sandcastle, bucket, chair, two children, mother, father, sail of a ship, waves, beach. These are all are naming words, and naming words are called nouns. Okay, now look at your book, page number 7. Nouns are naming words like boy, cat, dog, fish. Let us understand. Look at the pictures, write the correct noun for each picture. Choose words from the list given alongside. You have given some nouns here. Bag, book, knife, baby. These are all known as nouns. Now move on your next exercise A. The exercise A is look at the picture. Can you identify nouns in it? Write names of 10 nouns in your notebook. Look at the picture and tell me which are nouns here. Nouns like sun, woman, bird, trees, river, mat, football, book, boy, flower. Okay, turn on your next page. In the next page, we have given exercise B. The exercise B is write names of 10 nouns that you see in your class, in your school. Okay. Which nouns that you see in your in your school? Tell me. Yes, the nouns like chair, table, book, fan, light, bag, door, pencil, pen, etc. etc. Okay, now turn on your exercise C. Read the sets of words given in the list below. In each set, one word is not a noun. Write the words in your notebook. Remember, in each set, one word is not a noun. Okay, you have given some sets. First of all, you have given some flowers name. Tell me which one is not noun here. Yes, one. One is not noun here. The next one, you have given some animals name. Names like monkey, donkey, lion, zebra, dance. Which one is not noun here? Tell me. Yes, dance. Dance is not noun here. In the next line, you have given some countries name. The countries name like Africa, sleep, France, India, China. Which one is not noun here? Which one is not country name here? Tell me. Yes, sleep. Sleep is not noun here. In the last line, you have given some fruits name. The fruits name like banana, orange, grapes, pineapple, eat. Which one is not noun here? And which one is not fruit name here? Yes, eat. Okay, in the next slide, you have given salt exercise. Now move on your next slide. Extended exercise. Read this passage, find the nouns, and write them in your notebook. Do not repeat the words. Remember, do not repeat the words. For example, if you have given the word ball, don't repeat this word again. Okay, read this passage. As I walking to the school. School is noun here. I saw a girl playing with her dog. Girl is noun here in this passage. Playing with her dog. Dog is also noun. The dog was trying to catch the ball. Ball is noun here. The ball rolled under the bush. Tell me which one is noun here? Yes, bush. The dog went under the bush to catch the ball. Dear students, do exercise A and exercise B on your notebook. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.